Hello Excel friend, today we will read index function and match functions. This two function is very important and we will use this two function and combine. So first of all we will get the how the index function work, how the match function work. So index function is used to get know the position of value. You will find a number among the huge number. So there we will use index function, and match function is very simple. You will just get the numeric position of a number within the list. So come to the point. I have a spreadsheet and consists a table, and here is a mini table. It includes products, month and sales. So I will find a product month and its sales. So first of all I will show you how to create a list. So data and data validations. So and here you will select a list, then source. What is a source? I have a source of this in okay. So here you will see a list is made, and like this I will make another list of month. So now I have select a list, then source, this one, okay, and okay. So another list is made. So if I see I have select Samsung A50 and February, so it will show nothing. So how I will pick a number from this table? So I will use index function. Then array, select the range of array. Then row number means in which row would you like to find a value. So second row. Then column number means from which column you will find a value. So I have select here February, so 2, column 2. Then press enter. So it shows 4060 sale value. So because I have already select the second row, so that's why it's include select here. So if I would like to change this laptop and then come to the March, so the value is not changed, it's the same. So there is a problem. I will use the match function within the index function. So first of all I will show you how to use match functions. So equal to match. What the match function required? Lookup value. I mean that lookup value from so this is a lookup value. Then lookup array, which array you will find. So this is the here lookup array. Then less than exact match or greater. So it's officially exact match. Now press enter. So it shows that laptop i5 is a 3 row. Okay, told you before it will find numeric number list within a list, and like this again I am going to use match lookup value March. Where is the March? And lookup array this and exact match. Okay, enter. So March position is 3. So if I will change this one and this one's product and month, so the sale value obviously change. So how? Now come to the main point. First of all copy this match function, enter, and come here. Here we have used 2 row and 2 column. So this 2, select this 2 and paste that one. Okay, enter. And again come to the March function. Here we use March function also. So copy this and enter, and come to here and use date function instead of 2. So enter. So now if I change product Samsung A30 and March value and come to the January, so it will show this. So you will see how to use match function within the index. So this is the way of using match functions. So I hope you will get my point. Thank you for watching. See you next time.